Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting essentials that make decisions faster. Gather a high-res logo, professional headshot, and a concise one-page bio so editors can scan immediately. Once done, pull current performance stats, followers, AVG views, engagement percentage, because numbers sell your value. Make sure to define deliverables, rates for a sponsored post, 1/2-day shoot or speaking fee, and note any package discounts. This first progress creates momentum. You can build a clear package from these concrete inputs. Next, you design and compile the core pages, lay out a cover, an about section, services, performance stats, and 1 or 2 case studies so prospects see proof. Use consistent typography and 16:9 images to keep a professional rhythm. Make headings readable at 16-18 point and align margins. Once the content is placed, create calls to action and contact links, then export as a compressed PDF. Make sure to optimize file size to under 5 MB so attachments deliver reliably. Finally, you finalize and share. Proofread every line, test all links, and get one external review to catch blind spots. Clarity boosts conversion. Once approved, craft a short personalized pitch email, attach the PDF, and include a one-line hook that tells recipients why it matters to them. If attachments bounce or file size is blocked, make sure to host the PDF on a secure service and provide a direct download link. This troubleshooting step keeps momentum and avoids lost opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.